Filling high-quality wear-resistance hydraulic oil. This is the hydraulic oil level indicator. Fill hydraulic oil until this indicator reach the highest level. Connect main power supply, 380 volts, 3 phases, 4 wires, 50 Hz. This is neutral wire. When electrical wire is connected, we need to open the main switch. Open this main switch. If this screen shows off, means you connect the wire correctly. If words on screen is not off, you need to change wire orders. Let us go to the back. This is the air hose. We need air source from 5 to 8 kg, which is 0.5 to 0.8 megapascal. This is the water tank. Make it full. Turn on the power. Then we feed the material. First, we need to close air in valve and open air out valve to release air in the tank. And we put the material hose into its drum. Open the valve for material feeding. Turn on the switch for material pole feeding. Watch the material level through this level indicator. Turn off material feeding when material reach necessary height. Turn off material feeding valve. Material tank cleaning. Close the material outlet valve. Open the material filter. Check if the material level in this filter is lower than the filter inlet. Check if some waste is in this filter cylinder. Open the material valve again gently and watch the material flow into this filter cylinder. Material liquid will drive out the air. When material liquid soak the handle, air release is okay. Close the valve again, and now the air is released. Clean the edge of this filter device and the O-ring of the cover, then fasten the cover back. And we fully open this material out valve again. Close air out valve. Open the air in valve. Now we feed material B. Close air in valve and gently open air out valve. Put material B hose into the material drum. Open the valve on the hose. Open the valve on the material pump. Open the valve for air source. Close the valve for air source when material level meet your demand. Close the valve for material pump and hose. Close the valve for material feeding at the tank bottom. Open the filter cover. Check if the material level in this filter is lower than the filtering net. Check if some waste is in this filter cylinder. Open the material valve again gently and watch the material flow into this filter cylinder. Material liquid will drive out the air. When material liquid soak the handle, air release is okay. Close the valve again, and now the air is released. Clean the edge of this filter device and the O-ring of the cover, then fasten the cover back. And we fully open this material out valve again. Open air in valve and close air out valve. Check the air pressure in the tank. When it reaches 0.2 megapascal, it is okay. Start material pump for material Paul Input and material B. Input material ratio. Choose to open or close this data setting. Confirm material temperature and the air pressure in the tank. Start PU foam machine. When the lights are flashing, you will know material pressure when machine standby. We need to test the pressure when material pouring. Put the switch to test place. Press injection button and the pressure will rise. This is the pressure we need. Put the switch to injection place, which is in the middle. We need to make sure the mold temperature is good. Put some mold releasing agent on the mold. Make sure everywhere is coated. Check the nozzle and clean it. Check temperature and the pressure when machine standby. Put the switch to test position. Press injection button for pressure check. You can change the pressure here with this screw. Set the pressure value to 100 kg or 10 megapascal. Put the switch to injection position. Make sure this is the correct working program. Press injection button on the mix head. Pay attention to the pouring place. Normally, we pour material from higher place. Close the mold when foam reaction starts. Open the mold after several minutes. Take out the product gently.